A game called One Away. All these numbers are incorrect, but they're all one away from the correct number. So the 3 should be a 4 or a 2, the 5 should be a 6 or a 4. It's like that, all the way down. Yeah, if you get it right, win yourself a car. Keon, that should be a 4 or a 2. What do you think?
I'm going to go with 2.
2. Let's get the game rolling. 6 or 4?
Let's say 6. 6. I'm going to say 6.
6. Again, 6 or 4? 4. 4. Very decisive. 7 or 5?
Okay, I'm going to go with 5.
5. And finally, 3 or a 1?
1 and 3. You say it. I'm scared. I don't want to get it too late. Let's say 3. Let's say 3. 3 or 1? Everybody's saying 3.
But we're saying 3.
3. $26,453. Now, I don't know if you noticed all the sound effects on the show. You hear them in the background during the show? It's like a bing, yeah, all that stuff. There's a sound effects lady in the back who's so full of herself you can't believe it. She's like a real housewife of Price is Right. She just thinks she's the greatest thing in the world. Now, here's the thing. You got to beg her for all the numbers.
Okay.
So you have to say, oh, mighty sound effects lady, do I have at least one number right? Just start with one number.
Oh, mighty sound effects lady. Do I have at least one number right?
Yeah, see how it works? Okay. Anita, you gotta help her out. Beg for 2 numbers. Oh, mighty sound effects lady, do I have 2 numbers right?
Almighty sound effects lady, do I have at least 2 numbers right, please? Okay.
How about a duet for 3 numbers?
Oh, mighty sound effects lady. Do we have
at least
3
numbers
right?
3 numbers.
Oh my goodness.
You only have 2 numbers to go. Begging. 4 numbers.
Do we have at least 4
numbers
numbers
right.
right?
4 numbers.
Almighty sound effects lady. Almighty sound effects lady. You got it. You only have 1 number to go to get yourself a brand new car.
Okay.
1 number to go.
Oh my goodness.
Almighty sound effects lady. Do I get a brand new car?
Oh, mighty sound effects lady.
Please.
Do I get a brand new car?
Oh.
Look at that! $68,165 so far for saving our daughters.
I got a car. Thank you, Neil.
Hey, let's go to commercial. We'll be right back. Find out she breaks the record or not. Don't go away.
Yeah.